Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen essential, the OXO Good Grips 2-piece cutting board set. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the OXO Good Grips cutting board set? This versatile set comes with 2 cutting boards, each designed to elevate your meal prep experience. The smaller board measures 7.25 by 10.75 inches, making it perfect for prepping snacks or chopping up smaller quantities of produce. The larger board, at 9 by 12.9 inches, is ideal for those bigger tasks, like slicing meats or preparing full meals. With this set, you have the flexibility to tackle a variety of kitchen prep tasks with ease. One of the standout features of these cutting boards is their double-sided, non-porous design. This is not only hygienic but also knife-friendly. The non-porous surface helps resist odors, which is especially useful when you're cutting items with strong scents, like garlic or onions. Plus, this design helps prevent cross-contamination, ensuring that the flavors of your ingredients remain pure. You won't have to worry about those lingering smells or flavors transferring from one board to another. Comfort is key in the kitchen, and OXO has designed these boards with soft, tapered edges that double as handles. This means you can easily lift and move both boards without struggling. The smaller prep board is excellent for quick tasks like chopping fruits for a salad or slicing vegetables for a stir-fry. The everyday cutting board is your go-to for more substantial meal prep, like dicing onions or carving a roast. Another great feature of this set is the built-in drip catchers and easy pour corners. These thoughtful design elements help control liquid runoff, keeping your countertops cleaner and reducing kitchen messes. Whether you're chopping juicy tomatoes or marinating meats, you can be confident that your kitchen will remain tidy throughout the cooking process. Stability while chopping is crucial, and these cutting boards deliver with their non-slip feet that grip countertops firmly. This means you can chop, slice, or trim vegetables and meats with confidence, knowing that the board will stay securely in place. No more slipping and sliding while you're trying to prepare your ingredients. Now, who is this cutting board set suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone who spends time in the kitchen, whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef. If you live in an apartment or dorm, these boards are compact and functional, making them ideal for small spaces. Even if you have a spacious kitchen, having these reliable boards on hand can simplify your everyday prep. Practical use cases for the OXO Good Grips cutting board set are endless. You can use the smaller board for quick snack prep, like cutting cheese and crackers for a charcuterie board, or slicing fruits for a refreshing smoothie. The larger board can handle your meal prep needs for family dinners or entertaining guests. It's versatile enough for everything from chopping vegetables for a stir-fry to carving a Thanksgiving turkey. In summary, the OXO Good Grips 2-piece cutting board set is a durable and practical addition to any kitchen. Its hygienic, knife-friendly design, combined with features that enhance comfort and cleanliness, make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their meal prep. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.